Welcome back to Choicest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology and gadgets. In today's video, we are revving up your ride with the top 9 coolest car gadgets that you can still find on Amazon in 2023. From must-have car accessories to innovative gadgets, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in. Starting off our list at number 9, we have the OD Grabbit. Tired of losing small objects in your car and struggling to retrieve them? Well, say hello to the OD Grabbit, the ultimate must-have car accessory of 2023. This tiny grabber claw with a removable magnet is designed to pick up even the smallest and most delicate items like keys, bank cards, wallets, and coins. With its flexible and telescopic design, it reaches those hard-to-reach places with ease. Don't miss out on this handy gadget with prices starting at just $30. At number 8, we have the Quick Snap. Say goodbye to uncomfortable car curtains and hello to convenient sun protection. These innovative sunshades easily attach to your car window, providing relief from the sun's rays and prolonging the life of your car's interior. Installation is a breeze, and prices start at just $80, making Quick Snap an affordable must-have car accessory. At number 7, we have the Uniglider. Have you ever struggled to clean the underside of your car at home? Well, say goodbye to that problem with the Uniglider, the ultimate must-have car accessory. This innovative nozzle attaches to a standard water hose, and its unique shape allows it to effortlessly maneuver under your vehicle. With its high-pressure water jets and rollers, it effectively removes dirt even in hard-to-reach places. Upgrade your car cleaning routine with the Uniglider, starting at just $30. Coming in at number 6, we have the OHL Pro Retractable Backseat Car Charger. Tangled cords in your car driving you crazy? Meet the OHL Pro Retractable Backseat Car Charger, a must-have accessory with fast charging and dual USB ports. It powers up to 36 watts simultaneously, keeping your space clutter-free. The retractable design keeps cables organized, and it conveniently fits in your car headrest for easy access by all passengers. Upgrade your car with the coolest gadget around, the OHL Pro Retractable Backseat Car Charger. Now let's move on to number 5, the Lenmoto Vas Pro. Are you tired of feeling uneasy while driving at night? Introducing the Lenmoto Vas Pro, a must-have car accessory for your peace of mind. This dash cam with night vision extends your visibility up to 300 meters ahead, ensuring a safer journey. With its high-resolution 1080p videos, even in low-light conditions, loop recording, G-sensor detection, and parking mode, you'll drive with confidence. Upgrade to the coolest car gadget and drive with peace of mind. At number 4, we have the Works Jump Starter. Looking for the ultimate must-have car accessory? Introducing the Works Jump Starter, packed with features that go beyond just jump-starting your car. It can be used as a powerful work lamp, a signal lamp, and even a flashlight with a built-in magnet for easy placement on metal surfaces. With its portable design and cord, it's convenient to carry wherever you go. Moving on to number 3, we have the digital side view monitors. Say goodbye to blind spots with the coolest car gadget, digital side view monitors. These monitors, introduced by Lexus, replace traditional side view mirrors and provide an extended view of the rear, left, and right of your car. No more blind spots and safer maneuvers. These monitors automatically activate when you reverse or use turn indicators, ensuring enhanced visibility day and night. Upgrade your car with the must-have accessory, digital side view monitors from Lexus, revolutionizing the way you see the road. At number 2, we have the Astro Eye Car Trunk Organizer. Are you tired of dealing with a cluttered trunk? Introducing the Astro Eye Car Trunk Organizer, the ultimate must-have car accessory. Say goodbye to the mess and hello to organized bliss. This sturdy container with adjustable sections keeps everything in place, from groceries to sports equipment. With additional outer pockets for extra storage, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. Don't let trunk chaos ruin your driving experience. Get the Astro Eye Car Trunk Organizer today and enjoy a clutter-free journey. And finally, at number 1, we have the Auto Eye. Have you ever worried about the security of your car? Introducing the Auto Eye, the ultimate car accessory for maximum protection. With car break-ins and thefts on the rise, this smart camera is designed to keep your vehicle and passengers safe. Mounted on the rear-view mirror, the Auto Eye's advanced technology analyzes the surroundings in 360 degrees, detecting potential threats such as collisions, thefts, and vandalism. It even starts recording 15 seconds before an incident occurs, providing valuable evidence. With instant notifications sent to your smartphone, you can take immediate action. Easy to install and priced at $500, the Auto Eye is a must-have for every car owner. There you have it, folks. The top 9 coolest car gadgets still available on Amazon in 2023. We hope you found some exciting additions to upgrade your driving experience. Let us know in the comments below which gadget caught your attention the most. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more amazing gadget content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, drive safe and stay gadget savvy.